All right, let us see what are the various types of project documents you will be involved in handling on any project. That's why what? What are you going to track, control, and manage? Here I've given you a small structure, okay, about various document types that are prevailing in a construction and project management on any project rather. So I have classified them based on individual departments for better grouping and bifurcation. Project controls, design department, contracts department, construction department, quality department, and safety department. So based on this, on individual project controls, you will get various types of progress reports. Okay, daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports. Okay, every department on a project they will be having various weekly and monthly meetings. All right, so billing payments, invoicing, okay, cost control, cash flows, handover of the project, as bills, okay, asset list, completion certificates, DLP plans, defect liability plans, okay, snag list, okay, operation and maintenance manual. So these are various types of documents, okay, will be handled through the project controls department. Let's take an example. Let's see the design department now. Design department, there will be concept design drawings from the design consultant, and then it will be developed into detailed drawings. Then it moves on to GFC drawings, then the as-built drawing, which will be finally part of the handover document. Okay, there will be meetings happening undertaken by the design department. It will be design review meetings, so minutes of the meeting for the design department, and likewise there are many more document types being generated or handled or collaborated by the design department. Okay, contracts department, we have contract management, contractual letters, bank guarantees, insurance, okay, license and permits, claims, value engineering, change orders. Okay, so these are all various types of documents you will be handling, okay, for within the project. Why I have mentioned it? Because this is going to give you the basic understanding, the department wise, that what are the different doc types handled by any document controller on the project. That's why I have mentioned this. What are the various types of project documents for your awareness and understanding and knowledge. Okay, construction department. This construction department and quality department plays a very important part, and continuously majority of the project documents and records are getting generated and routed and collaborated and coordinated by the construction department and the quality department. RFI is getting generated, okay, project technical data, material approval, ITPs, method statements, okay, getting reviewed by the quality department, NCRs, okay, samples, snag list, okay. So these are various important document types will be getting generated. Quality control, inspection request, one of the major document type. It gets generated into huge numbers whenever the work is getting ready at the site. The contractor is going to generate on a regular basis several inspections for our quality department to go and inspect and give his approval for the work. So inspection request, okay, material inspection request, okay, NCRs. So these are all very important document types being handled by document controller. Again, safety department also generate huge types of documents. okay, safety plans, safety NCR, safety observations, safety violation notice, okay, safety meetings, stop work orders, okay. So minutes of the meeting undertaken by the safety departments get generated. So centrally, all these various types of documents are routed through you as a document controller, and you being the central part on the project for the record management. Each and every single doc type follows through your desk, your gate, okay, and you generate it, you update the status, okay, and send it back to the relevant party, whether it is for review approval or whether you have already tried with some status, or some with some documents with some instruction like safeties, stop work order, or a quality NCR, okay, or a construction RFI, all right. So all these types of documents are part and parcel of any document cycle on the project, okay. So you have to handle all these types of document, maintaining the correct accuracy of the project, coming in, going out, to whom, from where, and how, and with what status. That's how you play important role on the project, okay. You see the amount of data and the type of documents you handle, okay. That's why I call every time your role as document controller on the project is the heart of the project, because everything passes through you, okay. You got to ensure the documents are accurate and the records are managed and updated on a real-time basis, okay. So the status ready availability is always maintained on the project, okay. Again, this is just above list. I have just mentioned this as a reference list, okay. It may vary from project to project. It depends on project to project requirement, the structure and the document type and the terminology and the naming of those document type may differ, may vary from project to project. So it is just a representational list. You have to work on the project as per the project's requirement, develop a structure, develop and understand the doc types various involved, and then develop a project document type list and work on it and set up the project accordingly.